What level did I lift up to here?
You lifted up to about a level 9.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, I've definitely been lied to. Hello, you guys. Long time no talk, but today I am dyeing my hair purple, or like lilac, or like ube purple type of thing. This is going to be a little salon vlog. I'm getting like peekaboo slash like the underlayer type of hair, but I'm really excited. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, I got a dog. Let's go see her. YouTube, I would like you to meet Peaches. This is Peaches. She's half Pomeranian, half Chihuahua. Look how cute she is. Bye, Peaches. Hello. This is what she looks like. She's so cute. As the TikTok goes, to the salon. We are here. Do you want to be in it? This is Maddie. She's joining me. Say hello.
If you're in the moonlight, I could be the daylight. Couple miles left, let's go.
Hello, it's voiceover Emily. So Jacqueline just started with parting my hair, half up, half down, obviously, just peekaboo layers, and then she started going in with the bleach and foils. I got her to tell me everything she used on my hair. So the bleach is Moroccan oil bleach, and I believe it's called Blonde Voyage. Yeah, Blonde Voyage, not Bon Voyage, like the French word Blonde Voyage. So that's kind of cool. This is my hair. We're processing now. That's it. These are my salon snacks. A drink, jelly. What is this, jelly? A jelly drink and grapes. One more.
Sorry, you guys are okay still though?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the one I've got. Do you like that?
I like it.
Yeah.
You think it will match me?
I think it'll look super good with the dark too.
Yay.
With it, yeah.
My hair will be light enough for it?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you.
And if anything, I was thinking if I have to add a drop of just to make it a bit more of a purple.
That's fine.
I'm also gonna add. Yes. And, well, not after. These are a little bit quicker.
Okay.
These fade a little bit quicker. I'm gonna also check if I have a different color that I'm thinking of that's similar to this tone. I just need to double check if we have it, okay? So I'm gonna start off by taking out these bottom corners, okay?
Alright, so for the toner, Jacqueline said it was Wella and a Joico mix, and the colors were Platinum Lily, Silver Chrome, and just a single drop of a lilac to like make it more purpley, I guess. So that's what she told me. did I lift up to here?
You lifted up to about a level 9.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, I've definitely been lied to.
What, they said what? You can't make it past like a level 6?
Yeah.
You see it a bit more and more.
How many washes do you think it will last?
This one I think will last about... It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. Sometimes they last a little bit longer on some people.
Okay, because I'm going to California on the 29th.
Oh, you should be okay. It should still be purple by then, for sure.
Okay, that's good to know.
Let's go through all your clothes.
How often would you say you wash your hair?
I only do twice a week.
Okay, perfect. Keep it at that.
She then asked how I wanted it to be styled, so obviously I said curled because I suck at curling my own hair. Like, my curls just never stay when I do it, but anyway, she curled it so beautifully and she did it so fast. Like, this girl worked so fast. I was like amazed. And here are the end results. I'm not sure why the lighting made it look so pink. Like, it's actually not pink in person. It looks fully purple. I think the camera just kind of picked it up weird. Even on the photos too, I noticed some of them looked pink, but I swear to God it's not pink. I have photos closer to the end of the video, like, that show the true color. You guys will see them in just like a few more seconds. But anyways, it looks so beautiful. I'm so happy with how it came out. There is a few blonde pieces in there. I guess the toner didn't pick it up, but I'm going back for another toning session in a couple weeks or like a month or two. So anyways, that will probably be fixed by then, but this is the purpley color. I absolutely love how it turned out. See, it looks more purple in this shot, and like especially in the photos that you will see in 3, 2, 1. There we go. That's like the true color in person that I see every day. I love it. It kind of reminds me of like Rosé's hair.
I'm going home now. We're gonna surprise my family and see what they say. Oh, what if my dog doesn't recognize me? I'm home.
I can smell you.
Oh my heavens, look at you. Aren't you just gorgeous?
Cool. Very pretty.
It's purple
It is purpley.
underneath.
Yeah, it is purpley.